In 2024, the Tesla bot, known as Optimus, is poised to redefine our understanding of robotics, marking a significant technological leap forward. This humanoid robot, enhanced by Tesla's innovative engineering, showcases a 30% increase in speed compared to its predecessors. This acceleration is not just about moving faster. It's about efficiency and the capability to perform tasks more swiftly, making it an invaluable asset in various industries. The weight reduction is another critical advancement, as it allows for greater energy efficiency and ease of deployment in diverse environments. Equally impressive is the improvement in the bot's balance and full-body control. Through sophisticated algorithms and sensor integration, Optimus can navigate complex terrains and interact with its surroundings in a manner that mimics human movements more closely than ever before. The introduction of articulated toes and a more flexible neck is a breakthrough, enabling it to perform tasks with precision and adaptability. These toes aren't just for show. They enable the robot to balance and walk on uneven surfaces, adding to its versatility. The flexible neck, meanwhile, allows for a wider range of motion, facilitating interactions that require a more nuanced approach, such as looking around or focusing on specific tasks. This suite of enhancements is not merely incremental. It represents a quantum leap in the field of robotics. The Tesla bot's advancements are setting the stage for a future where human-like robots are an everyday reality, capable of assisting with tasks that were previously thought to be beyond the reach of automation. The implications of these advancements are profound, signaling the dawn of a new era in robotics that promises to transform our lives in ways we are just beginning to imagine. Tesla's shift to in-house manufacturing of actuators marks a pivotal moment in robotics. By designing and producing these critical components themselves, Tesla has significantly enhanced the performance of their Optimus bot. These actuators are the muscles of the bot, enabling fluid, human-like movements that were previously unattainable in robotics at this scale. The leap in technology doesn't stop at hardware. Tesla's sophisticated AI is the brain behind the bot's impressive capabilities. Unlike traditional robots that follow pre-programmed paths, the Optimus bot learns from observation and interaction, adapting its behavior in real time. This learning capability allows it to perform a wide array of tasks, from the mundane to the complex, with a level of finesse and adaptability that mirrors human action. This revolution in manufacturing and AI not only showcases Tesla's commitment to innovation, but also sets a new standard for what's possible in the realm of humanoid robotics. Elon Musk envisions the Tesla bot as a solution to monotonous, hazardous, or dull tasks, heralding a shift in the labor market and societal structure. By automating these tasks, the bot could significantly reduce workplace accidents and free up human workers for more creative and fulfilling roles. This automation wave is expected to prompt discussions on economic models like universal basic income, UBI, a financial safety net for all citizens, addressing income disparities, and ensuring economic stability as jobs evolve. Furthermore, with declining birth rates posing a challenge to the global workforce, the Tesla bot could fill critical gaps, ensuring industries remain productive. Musk's approach not only aims to augment human capability, but also to provide a strategic response to labor shortages and demographic shifts. The integration of humanoid bots into our daily lives could spark significant societal transformations, redefining our relationship with work and enhancing our quality of life. When comparing the Tesla bot to existing robotics technology, such as Boston Dynamics' Atlas, the distinction in adaptability and learning capabilities becomes strikingly clear. Tesla bot is engineered with an AI that's not just about executing pre-programmed tasks, but about learning from its environment and interactions. This AI-driven adaptability allows it to perform tasks in a variety of settings, responding to changes with a level of flexibility previously unseen in robotics. Unlike Atlas, which showcases remarkable physical feats through carefully coded instructions, Tesla bot's vision-based learning system enables it to understand and navigate its surroundings more naturally and intuitively. This approach mimics human learning processes, allowing the bot to handle unexpected scenarios with ease. The Tesla bot sets a new benchmark in the field, demonstrating how the synergy of AI and robotics can create machines that not only assist with tasks, but also evolve alongside their human counterparts, heralding a future where robots are an integral part of our daily lives and work environments. The Tesla bot heralds a transformative era in manufacturing, labor, and daily life, promising efficiencies that once seemed the stuff of science fiction. Its advanced AI and physical capabilities suggest a future where tedious and dangerous tasks are delegated to robots, potentially freeing humans for creative and interpersonal endeavors. However, this bright vision is shadowed by significant ethical concerns. As these bots become integral to our lives, the fear of an AI takeover looms large, challenging our notions of control and safety. The prospect of robots outnumbering humans raises alarm, necessitating rigorous safety measures and legislative frameworks to prevent misuse. Balancing this technological leap with ethical safeguards is crucial. Ensuring that the Tesla bot serves humanity, rather than commands it, requires a commitment to developing AI responsibly, with an emphasis on transparency, accountability, and public engagement in shaping the future of robotics. Tesla's ambitious move to mass-produce the Optimus bot marks a significant turning point not just for the company, but for the global economy at large. By bringing the production of key components in-house, Tesla ensures not only a reduction in costs, but also a leap in the performance and reliability of these humanoid robots. This strategic decision accelerates the deployment of Optimus bots across various sectors, from manufacturing to service industries, potentially leading to unprecedented levels of productivity and efficiency. The ripple effect of this mass adoption could be monumental, reshaping job markets and fueling the need for new kinds of workforce training. Economies could see a shift towards more tech-driven sectors, reducing reliance on human labor for repetitive tasks and possibly stimulating growth in tech-related fields. Tesla's vision extends beyond mere automation. It's about creating a symbiotic ecosystem where humans and machines coexist, leading to a more prosperous economic landscape. The Tesla bot's advanced AI system represents a pivotal breakthrough in robotics, allowing it to learn from interactions and adapt to complex environments with unprecedented precision. This AI isn't just about executing predefined tasks, it's about understanding and evolving. By incorporating machine learning algorithms, the bot observes its surroundings, processes information, and makes decisions in real time, mirroring human cognitive abilities. This capability enables the Tesla bot to navigate through diverse settings, from cluttered home environments to structured industrial spaces, without the need for constant human oversight. Moreover, its interaction with humans goes beyond simple task execution. It involves recognizing and responding to human emotions and gestures, facilitating a seamless human-robot interface. This level of sophistication in AI not only underscores the Tesla bot's potential to become an integral part of daily life, but also marks a significant leap toward creating machines that can genuinely comprehend and engage with the complexity of the human world. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it navigates our homes and offices, learning and adapting to our routines. The impact on efficiency and productivity will be profound as these bots take on time-consuming tasks, freeing humans to focus on creative and strategic endeavors. The integration of Tesla's self-driving technology ensures they operate safely and intelligently, making them not just machines, but a part of our daily lives. This transformation promises to redefine our approach to daily chores and professional tasks, marking a significant leap toward a future where human potential is fully unleashed. The Tesla bot, equipped with groundbreaking automation and AI, is poised to transform sectors reliant on manual labor, such as manufacturing and construction. Its ability to perform repetitive, precise tasks without fatigue promises to enhance productivity dramatically. By integrating Tesla's advanced self-driving technology, these bots can navigate complex environments, ensuring tasks are completed with unparalleled accuracy. This shift not only boosts efficiency, but also reduces human exposure to hazardous work conditions, heralding a new era of workplace safety and operational excellence. The deployment of Tesla bots signifies a major leap towards optimizing industrial operations, setting a new benchmark for how work is conducted in the most labor-intensive industries. With Tesla at the helm, the future of robotics is here, ushering in an age where machines support and enhance human capabilities, making the Tesla bot an integral part of our tomorrow.